So recently I just went to California Adventure over at Disneyland, and I went to the Spiderman ride, and these panels right here totally had me hooked in. I have to make them. Well, my friend Garrett, he always gives me great electronics and all kinds of oddities that I've never seen before. Well, this one, maybe something you've seen before. It's a water timer. You use them for sprinklers, and I think it'll be perfectly suited for this project. These panels have so many cool things inside, but this time around, I'm more focused on making the panels as close as I can to the originals I saw in the park. And the amount of spider webs I found on these panels just feels ironic. Have you ever had those creative moments where you feel in the zone? Where you experience the pure joy all the way through? That same level of joy and excitement as when you first felt the inspiration to begin with? Well, this project has given me just that. Now, I have loved Spider-Man since I was a kid. It didn't matter if it was the comics, cartoons, or even on TV. Now that I'm an adult, I've been able to share that joy with my kids, especially with the outpouring of so many Marvel films. Soon after, I would see my kids wearing their Spider-Man costumes and climbing up on the door jambs in our home. Now, my friend Kelly Stern from the channel Props and Villainy uses foam all the time whenever he builds props, and he cranks out these projects so fast. He attributes the ease of using foam as a key contributor. So I bought some cutters and some foam and wanted to give it a try. Don't get me wrong, this is fun, but a little frustrating because it just didn't get the finish I desired. Oh, hey. Just regrouping. The foam just isn't working. The foam I got from Amazon wasn't the right size. It just doesn't give the right finish that I'm looking for. I think I may just have to go back to some mediums that I'm used to. We'll see how that works. This board still lacks flexibility, so a bunch of dado cuts on the saw and some sanding, it'll get the desired effect. California Adventure's Spider-Man's Webslingers ride is pretty epic. The new level of interactive engagement for the riders is better than I've ever seen on any ride before. However, as a maker, the decor, the sets, and most of all the props had me so pulled into the universe I knew that I would have to recreate many of the things I saw that day. This process really made me feel like I was Peter Parker making his first suit for the very first time, trying it on, making alterations, testing it some more, until he had what he needed. Now, if you like this transformation, click the link at the end of this video where I transform a sprinkler timer into a Star Wars panel.